People are claiming that the European Space Agency just classified data related to 3i Atlas for 74 years. So, what's really going on here? Is ESA hiding something? Most likely that's not the case, and I'll tell you why. So, let's start with where this claim is coming from. This screenshot comes from ESA's official planetary science archive. It's the same system that stores Mars Express, Rosetta, and ExoMars data. And if you look at this release date, January 1st, 2099. Those red lock icons mean that the files are not public yet, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they're classified. And here's where the confusion most likely started. The Nomad instrument data shows 2099 1 of 1, and the CASSIS instrument shows 2026 403. The 2026 entries are normal. Those are real embargo dates, typically 6 months, sometimes 12, and it can vary a bit, but it depends on when the teams finish processing the data. But the 2099, that's probably not a real date. After some research and digging, it's typically a placeholder. It's a default that's used when the system doesn't yet know the actual release date. ESA does make their policy pretty clear. Data from missions like ExoMars or Mars Express are restricted for a few months, but not decades. And after that, everything gets released to the public through the ESA archive. And also, there doesn't seem to be an official document that specifically confirms a 74-year lock, and the 2099 date just means that the file hasn't been validated yet. So while it looks like ESA buried Comet 3i Atlas data until the next century, it's really just a database that is probably being misread. Now, could it actually be classified for 74 years? I guess there's a chance. But for now, it looks like it's probably just a placeholder. If anyone else has any other input on this, please feel free to chime in.